Today I will teach you the most useful daily English words. Rice, rice. Wheat, wheat. Sugar, sugar. Salt, salt. Tea, tea. Coffee, coffee. Milk, milk. Butter, butter. Cheese, cheese. Yogurt, yogurt. Bread, bread. Biscuit, biscuit. Cake, cake. Chocolate, chocolate. Candy, candy. Jam, jam. Honey, honey. Oil, oil. Corn, corn. Soap, soap. Shampoo, shampoo. Toothpaste, toothpaste. Toothbrush, toothbrush. Towel, towel. Comb, comb. Perfume, perfume. Lotion, lotion. Powder, powder. Shaving cream, shaving cream. Shirt, shirt. T-shirt, t-shirt. Pants, pants. Jacket, jacket. Coat, coat. Sweater, sweater. Dress, dress. Skirt, skirt. Shoes, shoes. Cap, cap. Gloves, gloves. Socks, socks. Belt, belt. Tie, tie. Scarf, scarf. Blanket, blanket. Pillow, pillow. Mattress, mattress. Bag, bag. Wallet, wallet. Purse, purse. Watch, watch. Ring, ring. Necklace, necklace. Bracelet, bracelet. Earrings, earrings. Sunglasses, sunglasses. Umbrella, umbrella. Pen, pen. Pencil, pencil. Eraser, eraser. Sharpener, sharpener. Ruler, ruler. Notebook, notebook. Paper, paper. Stapler, stapler. Glue, glue. Mobile phone, mobile phone. Laptop, laptop. Tablet, tablet. Keyboard, keyboard. Mouse, mouse. Monitor, monitor. Printer, printer. Camera, camera. Headphones, headphones. Refrigerator, refrigerator. Washing machine, washing machine. Oven, oven. Microwave, microwave. Blender, blender. Mixer, mixer. Toaster, toaster. Iron, iron. Fan, fan. Heater, heater. Chair, chair. Table, table. Desk, desk. Sofa, sofa. Cupboard, cupboard. Bed, bed. Mirror, mirror. Carpet, carpet. Lamp, lamp. Clock, clock. Rice. I eat rice every day. Wheat. Wheat is used to make bread. Sugar. I put sugar in my tea. Salt. Add salt to the food. Tea. I drink tea in the morning. Coffee. Coffee keeps me awake. Milk. I drink milk at night. Butter. I spread butter on bread. Cheese. Cheese tastes very good. Yogurt. Yogurt is healthy to eat. Bread. I eat bread for breakfast. Biscuit. I like sweet biscuits. Cake. The cake is very soft. Chocolate. She loves chocolate. Candy. The child ate a candy. Jam. I use jam on my toast. Honey. Honey is natural and sweet. Oil. We cook food in oil. Corn. Corn grows on farms. Soap. I wash my hands with soap. Shampoo. I wash my hair with shampoo. Toothpaste. I use toothpaste to clean my teeth. Toothbrush. I bought a new toothbrush. Towel. I dry my hands with a towel. Comb. I comb my hair every morning. Perfume. She likes to wear perfume. Lotion. I use lotion on my skin. Powder. She puts powder on her face. Shaving cream. He uses shaving cream every day. Shirt. I wear a blue shirt. T-shirt. He bought a new t-shirt. Pants. I wear black pants today. Jacket. My jacket keeps me warm. Coat. She wore a long coat. Sweater. The sweater is very soft. Dress. She bought a new dress. Skirt. She is wearing a red skirt. Shoes. My shoes are very comfortable. Cap. I wear a cap in summer. Gloves. I use gloves in winter. Socks. I wear white socks. Belt. He tightened his belt. Tie. He wears a tie at work. Scarf. She wrapped a scarf around her neck. Blanket. The blanket is very warm. Pillow. I sleep on a soft pillow. Mattress. The mattress is comfortable. Bag. I carry my books in a bag. Wallet. I keep my money in a wallet. Purse. She has a small purse. Watch. I wear a watch every day. Ring. He gave her a ring. Necklace. She wears a gold necklace. Bracelet. He bought a new bracelet. Earrings. She is wearing beautiful earrings. Sunglasses. I wear sunglasses in the sun. Umbrella. I use an umbrella when it rains. Pen. I write with a pen. Pencil. He draws with a pencil. Eraser. I use an eraser to clean mistakes. Sharpener. I sharpen my pencil with a sharpener. Ruler. I use a ruler for straight lines. Notebook. I write notes in my notebook. Paper. I need a sheet of paper. Stapler. I staple the papers together. Glue. I use glue for sticking paper. Mobile phone. I use my mobile phone every day. Laptop. I work on my laptop. Tablet. She watches videos on her tablet. Keyboard. I type on the keyboard. Mouse. I move the cursor with a mouse. Monitor. The monitor is very clear. Printer. I print documents with the printer. Camera. I take photos with my camera. Headphones. I listen to music with headphones. Refrigerator. I keep food in the refrigerator. Washing machine. The washing machine cleans clothes. Oven. I bake bread in the oven. Microwave. I heat food in the microwave. Blender. I make juice in the blender. Mixer. The mixer mixes the ingredients. Toaster. I make toast in the toaster. Iron. I iron my clothes. Fan. The fan keeps the room cool. Heater. The heater warms the room. Chair. I sit on a chair. Table. The table is made of wood. Desk. I study at my desk. Sofa. I relax on the sofa. Cupboard. I keep dishes in the cupboard. Bed. I sleep on the bed. Mirror. I look at myself in the mirror. Carpet. The carpet is soft. Lamp. The lamp gives light. Clock. The clock shows the time.